Everybody. I hope you're doing fine. Today we are going to talk about technology. So what is technology? By definition, it refers to all the new machines, equipment, and ways of doing things that are based on modern knowledge about science and computers. This is the definition that I took from Longman Dictionary. So, when we talk about technology, the first thing that you think about is probably this. Your mobile phone. But there are some more words that are related to technology. We are going to do some of them today. For example, this is a laptop, right? Why is it called laptop? Because lap means krilo. Lep u stvari znači krilo, odnosno kad nekoga ili nešto držimo u krilu. Ovako izgledaju noge nekoga ko je laptop držao na krilu predugo, tako da preporučujem da ovo ne radite. Next word is a palm-top computer or a handheld PC. You probably think that this is out of date, but you have to know that sometimes, not so long ago, this was also a very important technological device. Why is it called palm-top computer? Because palm nije palma, nego je dlan. Znači kompjuter koji držimo u ruci, odnosno u šaci. Next word is something that you have today probably. It's called a tablet. Next, we have something for the memory that we can carry around, and it's called pen drive or flash drive. I guess you all have one, at least one, at home. Next word, don't laugh about it. This is called a talkie-walkie watch. Probably you think that this is also out of date and you have something like this. And this is not a talkie watch, it's a smartwatch. Okay, next word. This is a flat screen TV. Today you probably all have this kind of TV in your rooms, in your houses, but TV used to look like this. Now, what is another word for technology? This is smart clothes. This is the clothes of the future. It can measure your temperature, keeps you warm or cool. Then it can measure how many calories you burn during the running and so on. They say this is a good type of clothes. Again, we have something that we can use in the kitchen. This is called a gadget. Gadget ili spravica, jel tako? Ja sam stavila ovdje kuhinjske spravice zato što ih smatram važnim za svakodnevni život. Vama vjerovatno nisu bitne u životu, but your mom probably thinks they are important. Another thing that your moms would probably like to have is a domestic robot. We all need somebody to clean the house, since you probably don't like cleaning the house. Okay? Now we are going to use the vocabulary that we have learned in some sentences. I will give you sentences with multiple choice with two options, and you need to think about which one is correct and try to do it on your own. We will use some of the vocabulary that we have revised here, but also some more vocabulary which is related to technology, but I guess you know all the words that we will mention. So I will give you some time. I suggest that after I show all the sentences to you, that you stop the video and try to do it on your own, and then check the answers. So the first sentence is, if you go jogging around the neighborhood, don't use your MP3 player or gadget because you won't hear traffic and it's very dangerous. What do you need, your MP3 player or gadget? Number 2, The only problem I have with these touchscreen or printer devices is that I get greasy fingerprints everywhere and I have to clean it every day. 3. Every morning before going to work, I upload or synchronize my home and office computers so they have the same files on them. So you should stop somewhere. Here, copy the sentences, try to do them on your own, and then do the next 3 as well. Number 4, take the computer over near the TV. The browser or the Wi-Fi signal is stronger there. Number 5, these photos look great. Why don't you download or upload them to your Facebook page so your friends can see them? And 6, I need to read this report on the train tomorrow and our printer or pen drive isn't working. It's got no ink. What can I do? So you should stop here. I suggest that you copy the sentences and try to do them, and then later we will show the answers. The first one, the green answers are correct, obviously, and the red answers are incorrect. So if you go jogging around the neighborhood, don't use your MP3 player. Number 2, the correct answer is touchscreen devices. Number 3, I synchronize my home and office computers. Synchronize. Then in sentence number 4, the correct answer is Wi-Fi signal. 5, the photos look great. Why don't you upload them? 6, the correct answer is printer because it mentions ink. Spominje se tinta, tako da je u pitanju printer. Okay, now I have one more exercise for you. This is speaking exercise. I have some questions that you can use to talk to somebody in English, to your brother, sister, friend, parents, whoever can speak English, because as you know, language is all about speaking. It's about real life communication. We are forced to do this online these days, but we all miss our face-to-face communication, I think. So here are the questions about the use of technology. I know that you use technology a lot these days. As I said, the circumstances made us use it so much. Use these questions to talk. You do not have to write anything. You can stop the video now to see the questions. And I would like to thank you for listening to me. Stay at home and stay safe. But don't use technology too much.